smells like shrimp. They're ready for cooking. Some salt. Some cayenne pepper for the spice, just a little bit. And then a little bit of Cajun. So now I'm going to make, wait, I need a bowl first. Okay, so now we're moving on to making the mango pico de gallo. Okay, I'm gonna start out with half of a red onion. I got my chomper today. That smells good. Ooh, good pieces. And if it's not, then I'll get another mango. Let's just give it a try. Pancho Villa. He's so cute. Mm. Oof, almost dropped it. All right, let's get some of this going. Let's do 3 shrimp per taco. And then we're gonna add some coleslaw. And some of the mango pico de gallo that we just made. Oh, that smells so good. Oh yeah. And last but not least, the Chipotle sauce that we made yesterday. Now time to try these tacos. Oh my god, this is good. So fresh and it's spicy, but it's really good.